You know, any companies that come to us, they get everything in a platter. In Ideas to Impact, we do a lot of engagement activities. We do meetups.
I know startups का कुछ वेव शार्क टैंक ने बना रखी है, कुछ इकोसिस्टम ने बना रखी है.
You know what exactly a startup would need? They would need funding. They would need connect with the right kind of people. A lot of government push that I see recently happening, where we saw that the entire shift has been towards startups.
अच्छा, मेरे पास मेरी रिलेशनशिप्स हैं, राइट, विद Amazon, Flipkart, ऑनलाइन, ऑफलाइन. तो जब मैं आपके बोर्ड में आऊँगा तो you have access to that.
I think आपको एक स्टेप लेना पड़ेगा.
Hi everyone, welcome to Wisdom Whispers with Abhishek Mittal. हम सब ने कभी ना कभी अपनी ज़िंदगी में सोचा होगा कुछ ना कुछ स्टार्ट करने का, अपना बिजनेस, कुछ भी, राइट. बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं जो हम स्टार्ट करने की सोचते हैं, बट वी आर नॉट एबल टू एग्जीक्यूट इट. सो इसी टॉपिक पे बात करने के लिए टुडे वी हैव अ गेस्ट विद अस whose name is Tushar Shetty. He is doing this from the last 8 to 10 years and successfully doing it. We will be hearing so many success stories from him. So let's welcome Tushar to the show. Hi Tushar, welcome
Thank
to
you
the
so
show.
much Abhishek for having me here.
Great to have you here Tushar. एक ऐसा टॉपिक है, I know startups का, जो इस समय वेव भी आई हुई है. Everyone wants to be there.
Yeah.
कुछ वेव शार्क टैंक ने बना रखी है,
Right.
कुछ इकोसिस्टम ने बना रखी है, जो हमारा इकोसिस्टम बहुत चेंज हुआ है ओवर द लास्ट I can say 5 to 10 years,
Right.
Which is very pro startups,
Yeah.
entrepreneurs, right? We will be talking about that.
Yeah.
But इस टॉपिक पे पहुंचने से पहले जानना चाहेंगे कि आपकी स्टोरी क्या है.
So I think मैंने जब अपना करियर स्टार्ट किया था, I think the entire journey for me has been more towards the startup world itself.
Okay.
As soon as I graduated, I think the first job which I found was with Z Nation Lab. Z Nation was a Silicon Valley based accelerator fund. We did a lot of cross-border investments and helped a lot of Indian companies to scale in the US market. So ये जो journey था, which was not very much active in India. जब 2016 में we were just trying to do something in that space, I think people were more keen about looking at Oyo and Olas of the world, and D2C वाला जो market था या B2C वाला जो market था was a pretty dominating market. And at that point of time, we were talking about B2B SaaS companies. And people were thinking, how will the market grow and all that? India doesn't have that kind of product mindset. How will you look at those companies? But sooner or later, right now, we are all realizing that B2B play is going to be a big, big game for India, right? I think there are a lot of product companies, Zoho, and all these are the biggest examples right now which we have. So in that journey, we helped a lot of companies. Sooner, I moved towards another company which was ScaleMind and Funtonic. Again, invested in a few companies, some of the naming companies like TaxGenie, which is again a very GST revolutionary company, which most of the people know about. And then I moved to Pune, where I met my partner Girendra Kasmalkar, who was building a large-scale incubation center, apparently the largest incubation center in Pune. And he shared the same idea which I was willing to have, right, in my career journey. So I think we resonated well, and वहाँ पे जाके I became the partner and the CEO for Ideas to Impact Hub, and it's been almost 5 years journey now, and we have been scaling from 1 centers. We are 3 right now.
Nice. ये Idea Impact Hub है क्या?
So Ideas to Impact Hub, मैं अगर इसको बताऊँ तो this is like your startup scale support. You know, any companies that come to us, they get everything in a platter. तो आप समझिए कि funding is, what exactly a startup would need. They would need funding. They would need connect with the right kind of people, which means, the corporates, the mentors, the advisory boards, etc. And they would need the kind of customers, which can actually buy their product. So we create an entire buffet for them. And we have infrastructure play, we have office spaces, we have, credit partners like Amazon, Google Cloud, etc. But, these 3 are the fundamental thing which a startup would actually need when they are looking at starting something. So we have created that foundation now. Plus, in Ideas to Impact, we do a lot of engagement activities. We do meetups. We get a lot of people to speak on various topics, whether it's GTM, whether it's something around product marketing, whether it's something on the journey, how do you go about team building, HR, etc. So we have micro communities through which we create a learning opportunities for these people. And in that entire journey, we try to see on how we can enrich these startups. So our role as Ideas to Impact Hub is to become your startup partner.
Okay.
While there are a lot of such incubators also, but we have been able to do very successfully in Pune and with some great success stories.
वी हैव बीन हियरिंग अबाउट दिस सो मच कि स्टार्टअप को एक थॉट से आगे लेके जाना इतना डिफिकल्ट है, बट आई
Right.
थिंक आपका जो इनिशिएटिव है दिस इज हेल्पिंग दीज पीपल कि आप थॉट लेकर आए हो, आपके पास एग्जीक्यूशन की कैपेबिलिटीज है और आप हमारे पास आए हो एंड वी आर गाइडिंग यू, राइट? दिस
Right.
इज एन एंटायर a guide which is available, as you're saying.
Yeah.
It's on their platter कि ऐसे
Yes.
हर चीज मिलेगी. You should have that fire in your belly.
Yes,
ऐसे मुझे
yes.
करना है.
Yes. See, आपके पास idea है, you have a great problem that you're trying to solve. We cannot motivate you to यार do your problem या
हाँ,
हम
हाँ.
push नहीं कर सकते कि यार आप जाइए आप ये problem solve करिए. I think that initiative is something that you have to take.
Yeah, that
You
is-
know, but we'll make sure कि आप अपनी journey में अकेले नहीं हो.
हम्म.
I think that's the role of the incubator, or that's where a startup hub should come into place, right? I think starting a company is a very difficult job. You are very much in the isolation. There are times when you'll have a breakdown because cash flows नहीं होंगे, salaries नहीं दे पाओगे. Your vendors would be on your head. A lot of
Yeah.
things would be very difficult. So इसलिए we become that entire support system for you when it comes to those things.
But I have a very I think हर किसी दिमाग में क्वेश्चन आता है जब हम बात कर रहे हैं आपके इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर की, how they are different from what we have in all the colleges and even they are big corporates who
Right.
have set up these incubation centers.
Right.
So how you guys are different, or this is exactly the same?
See, I think we are very different than what the traditional college incubators would be there, right? I think, I don't want to name any particular college
Yeah.
incubator, but specifically talking about a college incubator, आप जब जाएंगे वहाँ पे, what you'll see कि सब एक तरीके का entrepreneur एक stage पे काम कर रहे हैं. Everybody is at a similar stage.
Right.
That means your learning will not be, at the curve that you want to be. So at our incubator, what we have done in a very brilliant way is we have got the right kind of startups at the center. So our model is that, again, we invest, we incubate companies, and these are also the part of the I2I hub. But there are also companies that are coming from outside and we house them. And these are very product-centric companies, Series A companies, Series B companies. The reason to house them is that, the early stage founders get an opportunity to meet these guys. मतलब आप सोचिए आपके पास देयर इज अ फाउंडर जो आपके ऊपर ही बैठा हुआ है या आपके स्पेस में बैठा हुआ है, एंड ही हैज रेज्ड कैपिटल फ्रॉम सिकोयाज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड और मैट्रिक्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. उसने पिचेस किए हैं, उसके कस्टमर्स आर द लार्जेस्ट कॉन्ग्लोमरेट्स ऑफ द यूनिवर्स. सो आई थिंक वो जो एक्सपीरियंस है, द वैल्यू दैट ही कैन ब्रिंग इन, और जैसे मैं बोलता हूँ कि I2I में ऐसे फाउंडर्स हैं जिन्होंने एग्जिट ले लिया है, ऐसे फाउंडर्स हैं जिन्होंने सक्सेसफुली $10 million, $20 million रेज किया हुआ है, एंड दीज पीपल आर हेल्पिंग अर्ली स्टेज कंपनीज बिकॉज दे ऑल्सो नो कि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जो है वो एक डिफिकल्ट जर्नी है. तो ये जो इकोसिस्टम है जो हमने बिल्ड किया है is very different than any college incubator where you will see कि यार सब एक ही स्टेज पे हैं, सब एक cohort रन कर रहे हैं, and people who are training them are also college people. So the learning which is required for any entrepreneur is not there. People need to have a peer-to-peer learning which is possibly not there. And वो events में one of the time नहीं होगा. You need to have that accessibility on the tap.
I can get it. कुछ कि हाँ बहुत डिफरेंस है.
Right.
In terms of experience sharing ही है. आई थिंक जो हम शार्क टैंक में भी देखते हैं कि व्हेन दे से कि अच्छा मेरे पास मेरी रिलेशनशिप्स हैं राइट विद Amazon, Flipkart, ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन, तो जब मैं आपके बोर्ड पे आऊंगा तो यू हैव एक्सेस टू दैट, एंड दैट्स व्हाट यू आर आल्सो सेइंग, दैट व्हेन यू हैव पीपल who have raised some Series A, Series B, or they're successful in the product development, then they will have access to it and you can also get access to it.
Absolutely. Right? That's the point. I think, see, जब आप वो जर्नी में हैं, I think somebody who is a little mature in that journey will obviously tell you the paths कौन से हैं. मतलब when you are in the Mount Everest kind of a scenario, when you're climbing that, why do you need Sherpas and to kind of guide you in that journey, right? Then it becomes a very important part क्योंकि they are guiding you, they are kind of taking you the roadmap which you don't know.
जो उन्होंने लिया है.
आई थिंक ये जो जर्नी है, इट्स अ वेरी ब्लैंक जर्नी फॉर एनी एंटरप्रेन्योर, एंड आई थिंक जिन्होंने किया है, जिनको एटलीस्ट रूट पता है, देयर इज द चांसेस ऑफ हैविंग सक्सेस इज वेरी लेस, आई नो, बट एटलीस्ट इफ यू फॉलो दैट शेरपा और इफ यू फॉलो दैट मेंटर और इफ यू फॉलो दैट राइट काइंड ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योर, मे बी आप जल्दी रीच कर पाओगे और चांसेस आपके बढ़ जाएंगे.
तो इसका मतलब है कि इफ स्टूडेंट्स और यंग प्रोफेशनल्स हु वांट टू गेट इनटू दिस एंटरप्रेन्योरियल माइंडसेट और इवन थिंकिंग ऑफ कि अच्छा कुछ नया अपना करना है, मेरे पास थॉट है, दे कैन रीच आउट टू सच इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर्स
Right, they
and can get guidance, कहीं स्टार्ट मिल जाएगा, राइट?
बिल्कुल
किक स्टार्ट बहुत जरूरी होता है,
किक स्टार्ट बहुत जरूरी,
क्योंकि जैसे हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे इस पॉडकास्ट से पहले भी, राइट, कि लोगों के पास आइडियाज होते हैं, वो एग्जीक्यूशन तक नहीं जा पाते,
नहीं,
क्योंकि 99% ऑफ द आइडियाज तो वहीं खत्म हो जाते हैं, राइट? टू गेट इनटू एग्जीक्यूशन यू नीड सम सपोर्ट, यू नीड गाइडेंस, एंड समटाइम्स व्हेन यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम tier 3 tier 4 सिटीज जहाँ पे पता ही नहीं कि दुनिया दिखती कैसी है, तब आप लोग वहाँ पे बहुत हेल्पफुल रहते हैं,
राइट. एंड आई थिंक मेरा जो स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीव है, मैं आई थिंक दिस इज व्हाइल आई टॉक टू लॉट ऑफ पीपल, आई कीप सेइंग दिस कि यार tier 2 cities जो है, tier 2 cities जो हैं अभी आई थिंक आर गोइंग टू इमर्ज एज स्टार्टअप हब्स. we have seen unicorns and all these coming up from the tier 1 cities, and I think when I'm from Mumbai, I moved to Pune, and I think when I moved to Pune there were barely any unicorns, right? I think एक आधा होगा शायद, and now we have almost 6 unicorns. You know, I think in last 5 years I think Pune is growing to that stage where now unicorns are becoming common, है ना? So I think now this whole revolution is going to come in, where we'll also see startups and unicorns, at least successful businesses coming up from these smaller towns also. And we should be the kind of people who should enable these things and have this thing happen for our country.
Yeah, absolutely. One more question, I think interesting होगा कि ecosystem अब कैसे डेवलप हो गया है. if you will see over the last 5-10 years जब हम ये बात कर रहे हैं, तो इकोसिस्टम में क्या क्या चेंजेस हुए हैं, एंड what are the things people can look up to now which are available, which never used to be there?
Right. So I think the awareness about startups was not there when I let's say picking up my career 2016 when I jumped into this career of entrepreneurship, into startups and all that. The awareness about people, about funding, about incubation centers, and some kind of resources being available, pitching and all that was not there. Startup grants to bhul hi jao. I think that was not a story at all. But I think people don't even recognize कि ऐसा कुछ होता भी है. And what has now changed is there are a lot of things that are pushed not just from the private sector but also from the government side. There are corporate VCs that have come to picture. Now you'll see a lot of grants that have been given by the corporates. I was one of our startup also got a grant from HDFC Bank for one of the program. That's the typical corporate funds, or the corporate VC funds are also trying to invest in startups. So that's one of the play. Then secondly, there are a lot of government push that I see recently happening, and this has been again after the Modi government coming into play, where we saw that the entire shift has been towards startups and towards creating more jobs, towards pushing more of startup culture. And that's why we are at the stage where we are, and we have a lot of unicorn startup coming up from each corner of the world. So look at that we have now Startup India Seed Fund, which is like a 50 lakh rupees of convertible debt structure, which also include a portion of 20 lakh rupees of grant, which means that you have an access of 50 lakh of capital. Imagine which government would give you this kind of benefit. Now it is a very easy accessible grant. Why? Because now these grants have been given to incubators like us to be deployed to startups.
Nice.
Rather than government directly going and doing that, they are now giving it to people who know where to invest, who know the right startups where the money should go, and that's where it's happening now. There are schemes like TIDE schemes, which are run by the Ministry of Electronics and Telecommunications, where they're giving 40 lakh, 50 lakh rupees of grant support, both for hardware companies and for the software companies. There are schemes from Atal Incubation Center, and there are a numerous number of funds and grants which are available for startups. If you're a biotechnical company, you're a pharma company, etc., there are a bunch of grants which are available. You just have to do some research on the site, and I think you'll find a lot of those grant support which are being available.
Nice. So there is an ecosystem which has been supported by corporations as well as the government and
the new stage
further supported by you, right?
Yes.
That makes an entire ecosystem so friendly,
right
नए लोगों के लिए, right?
Yes.
I hope जो भी सुन रहा है कि आप सोचो, करने की क्षमता होनी चाहिए, कर सकते हो?
मैं इसमें एक स्टेप पीछे जाऊंगा. मैं आपको बोलूंगा कि यार सी व्हेन हम भी इन्वेस्ट करते हैं स्टार्टअप्स में, वी डोंट जस्ट इन्वेस्ट इन आइडियाज. See, ideas can be with everybody. You
Yes.
can have an idea, I could have an idea, and just based on the idea अगर मैं startups में invest करने लगूँ तो वो कभी होगा ही नहीं. मतलब execution तक कभी पहुँचेगा नहीं.
Right.
I think आपको एक step लेना पड़ेगा. आप जब आप आके बोलोगे कि यार you are committing to this, either the cost wise, either your time wise, or whatever you want to do that, and you reach to a particular stage on your own. Show us the capability that you have reached to a particular stage. Now government, ecosystem, investors, everybody will come together saying that okay, look, you have reached here. अब हम आ रहे हैं आपके साथ, आपको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. आई थिंक दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर आप वो स्टेज पे नहीं जाओगे, आप खुद वो लेवल पे नहीं पहुंचोगे वेर यू हैव टू रीच, आई थिंक इट्स फेयरली अ ट्रिकी जॉब. कि अगर कोई somebody should come there and handhold you and do the entire journey for you, it's not going to happen that way.
Right. No, absolutely. कुछ मेहनत तो करनी पड़ेगी. तो एक प्रोडक्ट है या जो भी आपका थॉट प्रोसेस है उसको आप एग्जीक्यूशन पे लेकर आओ.
बिल्कुल.
उसके बाद फर्दर इफ यू गॉट स्टक समवेयर, चैलेंज कहाँ आता है? चैलेंज यही आता है कि मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल दे माइट हैव स्टार्टेड इट बट वो आगे जो स्टक हो जाते हैं.
Right.
अच्छा, इसके आगे क्या करें?
राइट.
हमने लेट्स से 1 लाख रुपए तक का कुछ बना दिया है या सेल्स हो रही है, बट अब नहीं पता इसको आगे कैसे
आगे बढ़ाना है.
सो वो दैट इज वेयर यू गाइस.
So I think that's where the entire ecosystem is there. There are incubation centers being set up across India. Atal Incubation Center करके, the government, the Niti Aayog has set up these centers, which gives you access of free space, which gives you access of a lot of benefits in terms of workshop, 3D workshops and all that thing, which otherwise were not possible, right? I think people used to invest in getting up these 3D machines and all that. Abhi kya hai ki abhi you can go to any of these centers, say that okay, we are trying to innovate, please help us, and these people are actually ready to help. So the access of the things which were not there earlier is now there, and this is the right opportunity. I think आपने अगर अभी नहीं किया तो I think 5 years down the time आप नहीं कर पाएंगे.
Okay. ऐसे आपने भी बात करी कि पुणे में ही you have 3 incubation centers, right? So ऐसी कोई स्टोरीज हैं जो इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर से निकल कर आई हो जो आपको लगता हो यार ये तो कमाल कर गए स्टार्टअप के एंटरप्रेन्योर्स?
नहीं, एक्चुअली बहुत सारे स्टार्टअप्स हैव grown, and recently एक I2I hub में एक कंपनी है जिसका नाम Geospoc है, that got acquired by Ola. They are into geospatial services.
Okay.
And they got recently acquired. That was one of the great success stories for the I2I hub. But अगर मैं अपनी portfolio company specifically बताऊँ, one of the early companies, Itanta Analytics जो है, it's a no-code analytics solution. They built a very good product. They were doing early traction. They came out from the corporate jobs. We got them here at the center. They were early, first time entrepreneurs, very clueless what they have to do. We got them with the right kind of funding, access, got them to a lot of programs which actually helped them to go to cross border and all those things. So ye jo journey tha was a very fantastic journey, and I think with the startup itself we also enjoyed a lot, because seeing that growth, right, from that a small company to reaching to that 1 million, 2 million ARR kind of company, and with 60, 70 odd people. And now I see them taking an entire floor at my office. That what excites more than that, right? I think this is a very great journey for us. In fact, they were the also company which did the entire analytics for the vaccine manufacturing which happened in India, the Bharat Biotech and the Serum. So that also creates a lot of proud moment for us.
Nice.
That companies which are at the I2I hub are doing something very huge for the society and for the ecosystem also.
अभी रिसेंटली आप लोगों ने पुणे में एक नेशनल स्टार्टअप डे किया था, राइट?
राइट.
ये आप लोग काफी टाइम से कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, ये 2 साल से हो रहा है. आई थिंक वी ऑल्सो गॉट एसोसिएटेड विद द स्टार्टअप इंडिया सीड फंड जो मैंने आपको बताया. तो हम अप टू 50 लाख रुपीज इन्वेस्ट करते हैं इन स्टार्टअप्स. तो बिकॉज वी आर recognized by Startup India DPIIT के थ्रू, the celebration happens for the entire week. This is celebrated as a national startup week.
Okay.
Where the entire week there is some or the other innovation that happens, and it happens majorly in Delhi, and वो पूरा देश celebrate करता है. It's like a celebration of our startup ecosystem that has been flourishing. तो हमें भी एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थी कि हमें भी अपने I2I हब में वी शुड बी डूइंग इट. तो हर लास्ट ईयर हमने किया, दिस ईयर ऑल्सो वी डिड इट, एंड हमने बहुत सारे बेहतरीन फाउंडर्स वी गॉट इन फॉर दिस इवेंट. जैसे फिटर के फाउंडर को हम ले आए थे, वी गॉट eMotrad, वी गॉट True Brothers, True Elements, etc. तो बहुत सारे अच्छे founders को ले आए थे. And the mission was कि यार, more people should know that what is happening around it, what startup ecosystem is all about, government क्या कर रही है, startup India क्या कर रहा है, and all that.
अभी हमने जो समझा कि एक when I want to get into as an entrepreneurial journey, so you guys are helping it.
Right.
But to work in these incubation centers is another opportunity for a lot of people, right?
Absolutely.
तो वो क्या क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं और कहाँ कहाँ पे लोग सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर्स को?
See, I think incubation center जो है ना एक I think I find a little challenge here. मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि finding the right kind of candidates at the incubation center for me also is a challenge. I'll have to hire people who are fresh graduates or people who are थोड़ा बहुत जिनको experience होगा मीडिया का and all that and operations का वगैरह. I'll have to hire people and then train them. इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या आता है कि पीपल आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड मे बी टू लुक एट इट एज अ करियर ऑब्जेक्टिव बिकॉज VC फंड का फिर भी एक करियर ऑब्जेक्टिव है बट आई थिंक VC फंड से पहले का जो जर्नी है दैट्स द बिगेस्ट मार्केट विच आई फील इज राइट नाउ इन इंडिया. यू इमेजिन दैट कितने स्टार्टअप्स हैं जो तो जर्नी के थ्रू दे कैन जिनको पता है जर्नी वो तो रेस कर लेते हैं कैपिटल, दे नो एग्जैक्टली व्हाट टू डू, उनका जर्नी बहुत ही सिंपल हो जाता है. बट जो ये वाला पोर्शन है जहाँ पे पीपल आर स्टिल क्लूलेस कि मेरे को क्या करना है, मेरे को पिच डेक्स कैसे बनाने हैं, मेरे को स्टार्टअप इन्वेस्टर्स क्या होता है, इक्विटी वैल्यूएशंस कैसे होते हैं, कन्वर्टेबल क्या होता है, ऑल ऑफ दीज आर मतलब क्लूलेस कि मेरे को होगा क्या आगे स्टार्टअप करूंगा तो मैं करूंगा कैसे. आई थिंक दैट्स वेयर इंक्यूबेशन कम्स टू. And I think I've seen very few people working around the incubation. And that's why there is a lot of struggle towards it. Colleges के पास भी अच्छे candidates नहीं है, वो लोग अपने professors को ही ले आते हैं या somebody who is very theoretical in those areas. But I think we need more of people who are hands-on. More of people who understand business, more of people who can drive those things. I think मेरे ख्याल से it is not a very difficult job. But once people try to understand it, एक बार लोग उनके मतलब once they start becoming a part of it, in 1 or 2 years they can build a career in that. And I think people like me, I get a lot of opportunities from the larger CVC groups also, from, and the packages are crazy. We sometimes feel yaar, should I go and join it? But my objective is a little different in what I'm trying to do, and the core objective is to trying to build the Indian startup story, not the corporate startup story. So I do consult a lot of corporate, but I think the objective will obviously remain same care. I want to help startups. So isme there's a lot of opportunity if you build up your right kind of knowledge around it. If you're very curious about how startups run, how businesses operate. There are a lot of incubators in India. T-Hub is one of the very successful in Hyderabad, which we have seen, and they are the kind of you should try to see and try to work with them. I think 1 or 2 years of exposure, or let's say work with I2I Hub. One of the example, and you can find a lot of those learning from us. In 1 or 2 years, and then even if you want to try to do your own startup, that's also a possibility. Because when I started up working for Z Nation Lab. It was a difficult journey because I was altogether clueless about what this industry is about, and before that I was not aware कि startup incubator ऐसी चीज़ होती है. And मैं जब गया industry में and I started working, I got very excited because the people that I was working with were the people who founded Gold Gym, were the people who actually were the seniors at large MNCs, and and these people are very experienced, and what they talk is like a MBA college itself. My 1.5 year spent at Z Nation Lab was nothing less than an IIM kind of a degree, right? I think the exposure that I got, the real life exposure what I got from these incubators and how they interact with startups, what are the policies that they give them, what are strategies that they give them, was something which was very good learning for me. And those learning is now I can put together in these early stage companies that I mentor and I incubate.
You're doing such a great job, Tushar. Thanks a lot for sharing that. I think a lot of people will get benefit out of this. बहुत अच्छी understanding मिल गई कि incubation में जाकर support मिल सकता है, thought होना चाहिए.
Right.
आपके पास एक opportunity मिल जाती है उसको एग्जीक्यूट करने की. एग्जीक्यूट आप खुद भी कर रहे हो बट उसको आगे लेके जाने की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाती है. विद दिस आई थिंक आई एम गुड विद दिस, बट इफ यू हैव एनी अदर थॉट व्हिच यू वांट टू शेयर विद पीपल, प्लीज फील फ्री टू शेयर.
सो आई थिंक मैं एक चीज बताना चाहता हूँ कि पीपल हु आर योर ऑडियंस वुड आल्सो बी यंग प्रोफेशनल्स हु वांट टू स्टार्ट समथिंग ऑफ देयर ओन. I think don't rush into starting something of your own. I think first, let's say the career path that you should choose is first understand what you're trying to do as an entrepreneur also, right? I think if you're choosing one of the industry, let's say you choose drone industry or choosing an automobile industry, try to see on how you can work with a company which is very close to what you're trying to do.
Okay.
Let's say if you're a drone company, you work for Flightbase and Drone, those kind of companies. If you're an agri-tech company, look at something like, True Brothers and all these companies which are pretty good in their businesses. And try to see on how you can, learn about these startups and I think I call it, you have to be like a sponge. You'll have to absorb and learn, right? I think that's very important. And try to be a core part of the team. A lot of startups have also opened up their founder office jobs.
Yes.
And I think these kind of things are very critical. When we're talking about those things, it becomes a very important part of your overall journey. So while you're in that founder role or a founder office role, you learn about the entire HR processes. You learn about the pitch decks, how the fundraising would happen, ESOP structures, and all that. So I think the same point is that once you're going and starting something of your own, I think knowing a lot of things will actually help, and practically knowing all of these things, because when you enter a startup, you'll have conflicts. Your team members would have challenges.
Yes.
How you hire is going to be a challenge. Team building is going to be a challenge. How you grow is going to be a challenge. So everything is something which is going to be a challenge. Once you know something, and I've seen somebody who is doing something in that pattern, helps you to clear that role very effectively. And I think in that startup space, I think one of the critical thing which, I think a lot of VCs would obviously agree to this fact is team becomes a very critical part for whatever you do. I think the focus is always about founder, team,
yes,
etc. Right? I think, and that's the time when you have to show your capability, your problem solving skills, your ability to, storytelling about your product, etc. is very critical. I think most of the founders that are good at storytelling make it through the funding, make it through their customer journey, etc. I think one of the core skill that you should have is storytelling. I think if you have nailed that skill very well, most of your job becomes very easy. Whether you're convincing your team members, whether you're convincing anybody, it becomes a right kind of a skill.
Because आपको सेल करना है हर समय.
आपको सेल करना है.
क्योंकि आप जब स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तो आपको टीम बिल्ड करनी है. सबसे पहले टीम को सेल करना है. अपना आइडिया, अपना थॉट कि भाई मेरे साथ आ जाओ. क्यों आना है, ये स्टोरी है, ये लार्जर पिक्चर है. इफ आई कैन sell that story to someone, naturally these people will near to you.
और आपको हर किसी को आपके आगे जाके आपको इन्वेस्टर्स को सेल करना है. आपको अपने if you have to take a property, you'll have to ऑफिस वाले को सेल करना है कि यार मेरे साथ क्यों ज्वाइन हो जाओगे. लॉन्ग स्टोरी है. तो everywhere you'll have to sell, and you have to be a master of selling when it comes to becoming a founder. I think your journey is going to be all about selling to everybody. So I think that skill you used to have, that skill is a must to have, I believe.
Yeah. No, thanks Tushar. Thanks for adding this bit, because I think that's complete the entire episode on this. And thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot for joining us. This was our episode with Tushar Shetty. What a journey it was. कितना कुछ सीखने को मिला. एक ऐसा इकोसिस्टम है अवेलेबल मार्केट में जो कि हेल्प कर सकता है न्यू एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को सोचने के लिए, काम करने के लिए. So मेरी key learnings from this episode are, I can summarize it in 3 points. So 1, if you have a fire in your belly and if you want to live a life of an entrepreneur, please don't sit and don't talk about it. Get into execution. Second, there is an ecosystem which is available in the market as an incubator centers where you can go and you can take help. Third, there is a lot of government grants which are available. राइट हम लोगों ने कितना ही सुना है इसके बारे में. शार्क टैंक्स में लॉट ऑफ शार्क्स बोलते रहते हैं कि यार तुम लोगों को कितने ग्रांट्स मिल जाते हैं, हमारे टाइम पे कुछ नहीं था. सो देयर इज रियली समथिंग विच इज देयर इन द मार्केट. सो गाइज प्लीज डोंट जस्ट सिट, डोंट जस्ट थिंक अबाउट दैट आई विल स्टार्ट समथिंग न्यू. आई वुड लाइक टू बी एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. इफ यू हैव फायर इन योर belly, go ahead and do it. So far, this is our episode with Tushar Shetty. If you like this episode, please do share your feedback. And if you're watching it on YouTube channel, do like, share and subscribe. And if you are listening to us on audio platforms, please follow us. You will be able to get regular updates on what new content we are creating. And who's the new guest? which can provide you more wisdom around it. So guys, for a time being, I'm signing it off. Let's touch base again next week with another fascinating episode. Thank you.